Hi everyone! Ako si Maricho Petrosky. For today's video, we are going to make flattened sweet rice cakes or palitaw. Okay, let's start with toasting our sesame seeds.
In a small pan, dry toast a quarter cup of sesame seeds over medium heat. Stir it continuously for 5 to 8 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from heat, then transfer them to a bowl and set them aside for later use. Using the same pan, toast 2 ounces of cashews over medium heat. But you may skip this part if you're not using any. Stir it for 5 to 8 minutes or until both sides are golden brown. Remove from heat, then transfer them into a bowl. We will pulse this into fine texture. Place them in a chopper or you may also use mortar and pestle. Pulse until the toasted cashews turn into powder. Transfer the ground up cashews into a container, then set them aside for later. To make the dough, combine a cup of glutinous rice flour.
We will put quarter teaspoon of salt. Let's gradually add some coconut milk, about half a cup.
Give it a good mix until well incorporated.
Let's go ahead and use our hands to speed up the process.
I gradually added 2 more tablespoons of coconut milk. Firmly compress the flour mixture. Then start by shaping a small ball. Keep adding some flour mixture and firmly compress them until the dough ball forms.
Okay, we will allow this to rest for 5 minutes. While nagwait ta og 5 minutes, ato nang pabukalon ang tubig.
Boil 2 to 3 quarts of water over high heat.
Let's start making our small dough ball.
Take a small portion just like so.
Put this to the side, but continue to cover it so it doesn't dry out.
Place it on a scale and make sure that it weighs exactly an ounce. Place a saran wrap on a flat surface. Mold the dough into a small ball just like so. You may also roll them in the palm of your hands.
You can roll it that way.
Cover it with the plastic.
Flatten it.
Press to form a patty, about 3 inches in diameter and 1/4 to 1/8 inch thick.
We will immediately lower this into the boiling water.
Make sure they don't fold as they sink to the bottom. Then turn the heat to medium. Cook them for 5 to 8 minutes or until they float to the top. Once they float, cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Scoop them with a flat and slotted spatula. Repeat the process until all of the dough patties are cooked. Place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. To remove the excess water, place another parchment paper on top. Let it sit for 5 minutes to allow the water to seep through the paper, then remove it carefully. Coat them generously with grated coconut flakes on both sides. I use the frozen coconut flakes. Then place the toppings on the side and the flattened sweet rice cakes coated with coconut flakes. Then place some on a separate plate. Sprinkle the toasted cashews, sugar, and toasted sesame seeds. There you have it, my Palitaw recipe or flattened sweet rice cakes. Enjoy!
Let's get started! Let's get started, Dex! Dex?